Yeah, that's it. It's the French humbaha music, canoe music.
They're going across the canoe, they're going up catfish, and see that Dutch fella?
No.
The Dutch fella does the yodel. Like that today.
I've got no idea.
That was right. What's he going away? Donkeys make people do it. 3 times longer than what it had to be. Backwards and forwards, one side to the other. How's it going? What do you know?
That's right.
Oh!
No, don't stand up, man. What are you fucking doing? Bloody heck.
Working for the man every night and day, but I never lost in a sweet band. Worry about the way things all have been. Big Daddy keep on turning, Proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Seen a lot of places in Memphis, pumped a lot of flame down in New Orleans, but I never saw the good side of a city till I hit the ride on a riverboat queen. Big wheels to keep on turning, I'll say Proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. There you go.
What do we want to go there for? Nah, no, I don't want to go to a new one. I want to go to an old
We
one.
could sit there, roll a joint, and the cops would get us.
The fuck get us. Because like we can't.
Ring the cop boat down here. $150 worth of petrol.
We can't paddle to Victoria.
You should stuck your ass and fucking hauled them in, Carl.
Yeah. Motorboater.
Don't do that.
Just checking the buoyancy, make sure we're still buoyant. Hmm. Yeah. She'd be mouldy, wouldn't she? Yeah, we can't go in there though, that's the private business, that's the Tamar Marine. Oh, they wouldn't mind us just pulling up and... Oh, there's a nice rotty bit up here. I want to have a look at the nice old decaying rotty bit.
Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle.
Hang on, we've got nothing to tie up onto or nothing.
Yeah, we'll find something. I'll double onto that bit of rope there.
Oh yeah, look here.
Yeah.
Alright, here I go.
Just don't throw your weight around. Move very lightly. Can be a bit dodgy. Righto.
Oh my god.
Oh no, you better go first, man. You better go first. What?
Yeah, I reckon you should go because he's got hold of it.
If I get hold of everything, you climb out and then I can go back.
So you let go of your paddle soft, grab hold of the two ends.
Yeah, she solid? Sort of.
Just wouldn't go treading in those middle boards.
Fuck, man. Whoa, careful.
Oh, you're right, just like that.
Oh man, that's not...
No, she's right.
Oh, it's about to fall over, Lyle.
No, it's not. Stay worse. I'm sticking to this steel plate, you see.
Oh. Oh. Don't let it float away, man. Or someone's going to have to go in to get it.
Literally stuck on the wrong side of the river. Hey? Yeah, go for it. Hey? Oh, yeah. Hang on. Yeah.
She tied up properly, man?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Right, now the trick is who can climb over to there. That's the trick. That's the trick. Alright, softies. Oh man, oh fuck, she'll go. Don't you go on, you're too heavy.
You'd have to go this side, I reckon, Softy.
See, that's just going to go
You have
plunk.
to go this side, go on that side of the rail, creep along there, then go across that fucking steel.
What do you want to go across there for?
Whatever,
Oh, if
whatever
this-
piss, sorry gentlemen.
Hang on, if this falls over, that's going to fall on Canoe.
No.
Yeah, it will. Look how wobbly it is, Lyle.
Yeah.
Stop following it.
This is what I'm telling you, man.
She's solid, isn't it?
That's not a bad frame,
Yeah, yeah. Oh, man, whoa, don't let it go nowhere. Oh, I've got mud.
There you go.
I've got mud.
Couple legs over the steel beam.
Oh, no, my shoes over there, I'll lose them.
Foot rest.
Long neck collector.
Need a little anchor.
Little anchor, yeah.
Lay the anchor out.
Oh, just a piece of fucking rope would be nice.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, they are dangerous, man, anchors. If you get a heavy one, that slide on the boat, just go over so far and then you get that hook and point and anchor goes.
Yeah.
Woo, over here.
Please come here. You're in my jetty.
Honk, honk. Honk, honk. Alright, buddy.
What's she like in the middle there, like? You'll be no good up the front then.
What?
You'll be no good up the front then. Very short in the middle.
Yeah, do you want to swap over or go on the back?
Yeah, whatever.
You go in the middle?
Who's going in the middle?
You can if you want. Over it.
Oh, I'm not going in the middle, man. I'll sit at the back. That's where the captain sits.
Oh, it's up front.
Captain goes down with his boat.
That's right.
Can't keep putting the power down up front.